What's going on, people? It's your boy, the chosen one with the golden tongue. See nasty, Mr. Never Ashamed, so honestly, thank yourself. And I'm back on your screens. That means one of y'all must have manifested me out there. What's going on? You needed to hear this message? What's the message from God through my mouth to your ears? Listen, if they left you, that means it's time to level up. Simple as that. I'm coming bringing layman's terms to what's going on right now in your mind, in your heart, in your emotional sphere. If they left you, chosen one, if they left you, empath, that means it's time to level up. Why you say that, C Nasty? I'll tell you why I say that right now. Chosen ones, empaths, you have to understand. You have this energy inside of you that is monumental. This energy of creation can change the world, can change, it could change your destiny. It can change generations. You get what I'm saying? So the devil will try to send people in your life to try to stop that, to try to slow down that process. Feel me? And also, God will send people in your life to remind you of your true innate abilities and your true innate power of creation. Feel me? And sometimes when we're in these relationships with people, we tend to forget about ourselves and those innate abilities and powers of creation. We tend to forget those things due to the simple fact that we love this person so much. We start sharing mental space with a person, and the person starts living through us. You get what I'm saying? And most of the time, these people in our lives, they are only here for a season. They're only here for a chapter. They're only here for you to learn, and then you got to move on. Take what you learn from them and move on. That's what you got to do. You got to take the information and you got to pass it on. Because sometimes, if you try to hold on to a relationship, the relationship is going to show you that it's not worth holding on to. But yet, chosen ones, empaths, with our empathetic hearts, we care and we love and we adore so much, and I've been there. I've been through those pains. Trust me, it is painful loving somebody, caring for somebody, and they just don't have those same feelings for you. It really hurts. Or if you get played, you get cheated on, you really love that person, you really cared, and that person walked out on you. That person went and they did you wrong, and now you have to pick up the pieces and pick your heart up that was in shambles, that they crushed. I get it, chosen ones. I get it, empaths. But when they left you, that was a sign from the universe. That was a sign from God. That was a sign from the divine that you need to level up. And that was even a sign from your partner that you need to level up, because you weren't fulfilling something that was missing. Maybe you feel like, oh, you did everything you could for this person, but at the same time, you might have fell in love with a selfish individual, a self-centered individual who only cares for self and only has, needs for themselves. They can't see they can't see or validate your needs, because you were too full of trying to fill their needs, and you forgot about yours. Sometimes you have to get your heart broken 1 or 2 times just so you can remember your own heart and your own desires. I used to chase women that I look back now like, wow, Chris, you wanted that? Feel me? It's like, damn, you wanted that? And I look back now like, I'm not better than nobody, but if there's no growth in a person and you see just stagnation, because people stay the same, man. And if this certain person cannot change, or they don't change after a few years, I'm saying for the better, they're not worth being in your life. Not worth it. They're not worth it. Chosen ones, if they left you, it was a good thing. You get what I'm saying? You didn't need to have this person around you. Get that codependency energy, spirit off of you. You do not need to be codependent. You need to be dependent on yourself. You need to look in the mirror and know that you are the best there is, the best there was, and the best there ever will be. You get what I'm saying, huh? And you're sent divinely, and I am sent divinely to give you this message. You're there sitting divinely taking it in. And if you like the message, hit the like button, you know? Hit the subscribe button if you like the character, Mr. Never Ashamed. Because I got a whole bunch of conversation, high-level conversations, over 550 videos talking about high-level consciousness conversations. You know what I'm saying? Hit the like button. It's not hard. Either way, the point I was saying, if they left you, oh boy. Once you leveled up, this video is also for the ones who got left a little while ago, and then they started leveling up, and now they're seeing the residual effects. Huh? They started paying attention to other things instead of that stupid bumper clock that was playing games with your mind and heart. They left you behind, so you leveled up. You got in the gym. You started working on your career. You started going in on whatever you was trying to do. Whatever gift God gave you, you made sure you was waxing it up, polishing it, and you was giving it out to the world. Man, listen, God is telling me to tell you your blessings are right on its way. Listen, they left you, you leveled up, your blessing is right here, right next door. You get what I'm saying? Just be patient, because it's right here. And that person that left you, oh my God, they are either in regret or they're on their way to their regrets. You get what I'm saying? Because their happiness won't last forever. You can't just do the chosen one wrong and then expect that life is just going to be all peaches and cream for you. No, it does not work like that. No, it does not work like that. They do not want to make tears drop from a chosen one's eyes. They do not want to make tears drop from an empath's eyes. That is the worst thing you could do, because they know chosen ones are the most dangerous species known to man on this plane of existence. Huh? They know that already, feel me? They don't know it consciously, subconsciously. They know it, feel me? Internally. This is all spiritual we're talking about here. So, man, if they left you, oh, you should be thanking God. You should be clapping, because something better, someone better is coming for you. Believe it. And this doesn't go for just relationships. This goes for your job, co-workers, family. If they left you, devalued you, and walked out and left you on the curb like a piece of trash, and then you were the only piece of trash to come and dust yourself off and say, you know what? I'm not a piece of trash. I'm about to level up and I'm about to shine out on their ass. Huh? That's what chosen ones do. We are simply put on this planet to show the ones that let us down, the ones that rejected us, the ones that play with our time, the ones that said, oh, you're not worthy. Oh, we are sent here to show them, once we level up, what you missed, baby. Huh? What you missed out on, because they're going to be upset. They're going to be sitting in the lake of regret. While you're sitting in the lake of fire right now, burning up due to the simple fact that you're upset that this person and their stupid antics played you and left you behind. Oh, listen. Start clapping and laughing, because the last shall be first and the first shall be last. It's in the Bible, people. They could get their little laugh now. Oh, yeah, give them their little 15 minutes of fame now. But guess what? They cannot hold on to that light that we got. Feel me? All they wanted to do was dim your light. But guess what? They dimmed your light. They try to steal your light. But guess what? They had to go into that dark place. Because without the dark, there's no light. And without the light, there's no dark. And they had to go into that dark place with that little itty bitty light that they try to steal from you. They try to dim your light when they left you. They thought, oh, I'm gonna leave the chosen one. I'm gonna hurt the chosen one when I leave. And he gonna fall, she gonna fall. Huh? They need me. Guess what? All you needed was yourself, God, faith, all that. All you needed was the faith the size of a mustard seed. And then look what you achieved. Feel me? Listen, I've been rambling for 10 minutes. Let me get the great view. And you know I love my outros. I hope somebody's still watching. If you're still watching, Subscribe if you like the character, Mr. Never Ashamed. So honestly, thank yourself. See Nashti. Subscribe and hit the like button. It's not hard. Look at me. I'm always in the heart of nature. And I always come up with high-level consciousness conversation. That's really it for the video, people. Here comes the outro. You know I love it. It's your boy, the chosen one with the golden tongue. Ow. See Nasty, Mr. Never Ashamed. So honestly, thank yourself. I'll see you on the next one. One love.